Welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Making this video for people who may be new to having a snowblower and don't really know this, and it happens, that's fine. But I'm going to show you how to adjust the front end of your snowblower so that you can go through rougher terrain like gravel or sand and things like that, because you may have a driveway where you have pavement and then it transitions into gravel like I do. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do that, and it's very simple. It only takes a couple seconds. So what I need for this particular job is just a hammer and a ratchet with a 13mm wrench. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen these 3 nuts on this adjustable slider, and then I'm going to move it down and just make like a 1-inch height adjustment so that this snowblower rises 1 inch to go across rocks, gravel, dirt, that sort of thing. So I'll go ahead and I'll loosen this off. Now before I did this, I sprayed some WD-40 just to loosen them up. And so now that I have them loosened, all you do is drop this down, like I said, about 1 inch, and then tighten up the nuts again. So this one here I'll just snug for now, and then the other ones I'll tighten up. Then I'll retighten the first one. Now I'll go back on the other side and do the exact same. I'll loosen the nuts and drop the adjustable slider down at least 1 inch to match the first side. Take the hammer, drop it down, give it a quick visual check. It's exactly the same, 1 inch. And I'll tighten the nuts back up. There, they're all snugged up. Now both sides are the same. The front end of the snowblower is sitting an inch higher. And I'll take this, I put a piece of wood under the front just to lift it up so that I can adjust those sliders down. And I'll take it back out. Now we're ready to blow out snow in gravel or dirt or sand, and even the lawn. And I'm going to show you exactly. I'm going to make a pathway from my house to the garage across the lawn. I have a patch of lawn there that doesn't have like a sidewalk or anything. Snow gets deep. Instead of walking all the way around, I just like to walk across. So I'll blow out a path there. I already have a bit of a path, but I'll blow it out wider. And I won't even hurt the lawn with this now. It'll go right across the lawn, no problem. Now, as you can see, a nice clear path for us to walk on, and I didn't even mess up the lawn or nothing. It stayed 1 inch above the lawn. So I hope that video helped, especially a lot of new people that are new to snowblowers. They wouldn't know that. So remember to always make sure your snowblower is off. Be safe first before you do anything like this. So if you like this video and you like to see more things like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, please. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video.